to your 5-minute tank top arms. Let's get started. Grab a pair of light weights and let's begin. Let's start with the back of our arms, the triceps. This is going to shape and tone the back of the arms. That's it. Make sure when you're doing this, your back is strong and straight. You're leaning slightly forward and you're lifting those elbows to really firm and tone and sculpt the back of our arms. We're gonna shape every angle of your arms. You'll look great in those sleeveless blouses, tank tops. Get ready, get fit, because you are worth it. We've got 2 more. Last one, and now palms to the ceiling and shoulders down and back and baby lifts. Pulse it up, that's it. Great, just pulse higher. You got this. Straight arms, that's good. Keep it up, come on. Well, beautiful arms, hold it up there. Last one. Okay, and let's do some bicep curls. First of all, standing up tall, you're gonna bend your elbows forward and back down. Notice my arms are at an angle. This is really getting beautiful, sexy arms. Pull in and release out, full range of motion. Come all the way in, squeeze at the top, and release slowly. That's it, good. Getting the entire shape of your arm firmed and sculpted. You can do it. Pull in, keep your back straight. You're doing it. Last one, hold it up there. That's it, and release. And now we're gonna go forward and side, and forward and down. Firming and toning, that's it. This is for the entire arm now. You've got biceps, and now you have triceps. Good, you can do it. That's it. Just twist it out, pull it forward. Really feel it, take your time. That's it, quality over quantity. We're really feeling this. That's it, gorgeous. You got this. It looks so good, I promise. We all have to firm up those arms, yes. I know. We got 2 more. Last one. Okay, and now we're gonna come all the way up and notice our arms right here. You're just gonna do baby tucks, baby ones. Working the bottom of the biceps now. That's it. Good, this will give you beautiful shape to your arms. Gorgeous. Pull in, relax your hands. That's it. Good, let the muscle do the work, the bicep here. We've got 2 more. Last one. Great. Okay, and shift your weight forward slightly. And now working the shaping of the shoulders that really frame your arms. That's it. Good. Just forward and lift. Notice I'm only stopping at shoulder level. That way it keeps the shoulders nice and strong and firms the muscles. We want to work on the muscles here. That's it. Good. 2 more. You got it. Last one, and release. Bring it up, up, up. Bring it down, down, down. Bring it up, up, up. Shoulder level. Firm up those arms. Good. This is sexy shoulders and arms here. That's it. Thinking about your back. Is it strong and straight? Whoop. Pull in that belly button. That's it. Back is straight. Abs are tight. We got 2 more. Last one. We hold it up. Baby pulses, baby pulses. You got this. That's it. Good. Shoulders down and back. 2 more. Last one. Okay, now shoulder presses up. Push up and down. It's a standing push-up. That's it. Good. Do the best you can now. Ooh, that's an overhead press. Good. I gotcha. You can do this. Shaping those arms. Yes. You can do it. Last 2. Last one. Okay, now it's time for the deltoids. That's it. Shape your shoulders and the core. You're standing up nice and tall and you're just shifting your hips. You're keeping your hips strong, but you're shifting the weight with the hips, keeping them strong, and now with the shoulders. Can you feel it? Straighten those arms if you can. That's it. Don't lock the elbow, but just a little more stronger and straighter. Beautiful. That's it. Last 2. You can do it. Good lift. Also works the core muscles. Good. Okay, last one. We're going to lift up and down. It's pulled back, improving your upper shoulders. That's it. Good. No rounded shoulders will improve our posture. That's it, shoulder blades together behind you. You got 2 more. Last one. And relax. And there you did a great upper body workout. Thanks for working out with me. Woo! If you love this workout, I have so much more at deniseaustin.com. Try my free trial that you get to do all kinds of different workouts and recipes, eating plans. You will love it. All you have to do is visit deniseaustin.com, sign up for your free trial now.